It's all about the hair. This is all about the hair. I'm looking at you. Yes, I am. I'm looking at you. Yes, I am. So before I start this recording, well, I'm already recording, but before I start, I just want to say my windows are up. I'm recording during daylight, and you guys will start hearing cars going back and forth because people have no respect in this neighborhood. And yeah, that's all I just wanted to say. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, yes, as the intro already, you know, snitched and said enough. Today's video is all about the hair. It's all about the hair. I'm so like really happy because this is by far my favorite company. And I'm not just saying that because they sent me hair. It's because the details will be coming soon. But for right now, if you haven't been subscribed, I don't know if the intro wasn't enough, but if you haven't subscribed, I'm gonna be waiting for you to subscribe. You already know we got Alze. I'm gonna just look through my Instagram while you subscribe. You know, I'm not gonna be all over your face, but I am gonna, you know, look through my Instagram and give you time to subscribe. If you are new to my page, I would love for you to subscribe. You know, I'm not pressuring you or anything. I'm just saying it'll be nice if you subscribe and press that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So we're gonna give you time. I'm gonna keep talking about it because I feel like it's necessary. Like, you can't just come on somebody's page and not subscribe. Like, where to do that at? Not over here. No. Oh, you subscribed? I was talking too much. So you subscribed, right? Okay, so now we can get started with the video. Okay, thank you. Merci beaucoup. Now that you have subscribed, hey to the new subscribers. If you are my returning subscriber, what up? What up, though? What's good with it? What up, though? What's good with it? Hey guys, today's video, yes, is all about the hair. I was contacted by a company called Jennifer Hair, and I'm really excited to talk about this hair because this hair is not like your regular review. Like, I had to do an intro with this hair because this hair, I wore this for about a month because I wanted to do a honest review. So I wore this hair before I decided to come on here after I did the tutorial on this hair, which I am going to place somewhere here or here or here, whichever where I feel like it will look good. So this hair was sent to me by a company called Jennifer Hair. They sent me a 20-inch, 18-inch, 16-inch, and a 360 frontal. This is actually the first time I did a 360 frontal. I've always wanted to try a 360 frontal. Previous companies that contacted me, I asked for 360 frontal, but they never had 360 frontals. So this company, I don't remember asking them for a 360 frontal. Anyway, I don't remember asking them for a 360 frontal, but they sent your girl a 360 frontal, okay? I did hot glue this wig because I'm not patient when it comes to sewing in wigs. I feel like it just takes too long. So with this hair, they sent me 3 different lengths, including the frontal, which was 4 different lengths. And at first, you guys know this about me. If you are a new subscriber, I'm gonna tell you because my subscribers already know this about me. I'm not so big on trying different lengths when it comes to bundles. I don't like the 24, 22, 23, 28, 46, 50, all kinds of different lengths put in one wig. I like all my hair to have the same length. So when I saw the 2018 16 and then the 14-inch frontal, I was kind of skeptical. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of mad. I was like, did I order this? Like, did I ask her for this, or am I tripping? But I don't recall asking for these 4 different lengths. But I was just happy that I received the hair from the company, so I didn't complain. I said, you know what, we're gonna make it work. So with the video, with the wig, what I did was I used the frontal, and then I also used 2 bundles, which was the 18 and the 16. Thickness of the hair was real. I've never like went through a wig just by using one bundle. We're not into yakis no more, girl. You better get out of that mindset. But I did use one bundle just for the back, and then halfway to the top, that's when I started using my 16 inch. So like the back down is an 18, to the top up is 1/2 of the 16-inch bundle. This hair was amazing. I love the texture compared to the previous companies that have sent me hair. This texture is freaking bomb. Like, when I tell you guys, this is like on some like, what hair is this? Where is it from? I never heard of this. Like, this is the hair. Okay, this is what this hair had me feeling. Like, it's like, who did your hair? What hair is this? What company? I didn't know. Kendra hair? No, it's not that. It feels different. What? Let me feel it. This is the type of company that I'm like, yo, it's not going nowhere. Like, this company is bomb. If you guys want to try out the hair, I'll leave the link down below. I still have a full bundle left of a 20-inch, and I'm just like, what am I going to do with this? I think I'm going to do another style with this, and just, I can't tell y'all what style, but this style is about to be bomb, I'll tell you that. But this hair is amazing. I love the feeling. The feeling is, oh my gosh. Like, if I could compare this to the previous hair that I've made, this feels, I hate saying this, but this feels like actual human hair. Like, this feels like an actual human hair. Like, when I tell you human hair, this feels like it actually was cut off of somebody's head and give it to be sold out. Like, I'm just saying, this hair feels amazing. This hair is by far the best hair I have ever worked with. And I'm not just saying this because it sent me free hair. I am being dead honest with you guys. This hair was so thick. The frontal itself is thick, okay? The frontal is thick. I don't even know how to explain. Like, the frontal itself is thick. And the good thing about the frontal was it was already pre-plucked, and it had like baby hair already. So I didn't want to like over pluck it, because one, it was my first time doing the 360 frontal, and I didn't want to like mess it up. So I just left it the way it is. I didn't pre-pluck it. I did bleach it just a little bit, and I left it on there for like 15 minutes, and it came out okay. But I know that the bleaching, I didn't really like leave it long enough for it to like process. But the bleaching was okay. It made the lace look a lot natural compared to how the lace was before. I really like this hair. Also, the company sent me a dissolving grip lace wig cream. This works exactly the same with Got To Be Glue, but better. The reason why I say this is because I wore this throughout the week, and I know for a fact nothing would outbeat this baby right here, because it also helps your hair grow. Got To Be gel, Got To Be glue doesn't help your hair grow. It may rip out your edges, but this thing right here does not rip out your edges. And I gave it some time before I decided to do a full review on it, which was a month along with the hair. I wore the hair for about a month, and then I also was using this to apply my wig on. One thing I am gonna say is this thing comes on really messy, and little old me, messy old me, it was the struggle. I mean, it does get tacky under 5 to 10 seconds, and they have like instructions right here in case you don't know what you're doing, but it does get tacky under 10 to 5 seconds, which I highly love. With that cream, that oil crack, that right there, I can have my hair on all day, I can sweat and it's still on my head. One thing that I am gonna say is this hair, I did it in a way where I don't have to add the hair creamy crack for my, you know, to keep it on there, because the wig, how I made the wig was I can just put the hair on without messing with the Got To Be gel or the lace grip cream, and I'm good to go. Like, this hair fits my head so well, I don't have to lay it down at all. Like, I can put it on glueless, gel-less, and I'm good to go. All I am gonna say about this company is, sure, I have nothing bad to say about this company. The hair is just too thick. Like, I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Like, if you like to plug your hair, I am gonna say it's gonna give you some work. This hair is really, really thick. I don't know whose head this hair came out of. This hair, baby girl, you did your thing, okay? Your hair is amazing. This company is... J'ai fini de parler. J'ai fini de parler. Parce que ça c'est vraiment incroyable. Incredible. The hair is beautiful. I love this hair. I'm gonna keep saying this throughout the video. This hair is amazing. Like, if you haven't purchased this hair, you should definitely go ahead and purchase this hair. This hair is amazing. I highly recommend you guys to give this hair a try. I've never met something that's so thick. The frontal is thick. The bundles are thick. Everything about this hair has some thickness to it, and we know thick girls are popping. So the bundles that are thick, they popping too. You know, bundles are thick, we popping. Like, we don't want to look bald-headed out here feeling like we ain't got no hair. Like, this hair is amazing. I love it. I freaking love this hair. I love it. This company is legit. I love it. Y'all did y'all thing. I'm just gonna say, you guys did your thing. If you guys want to give this company a try, it's amazing. I'm not just saying this just to say it's so thick. You need some thickness in your life. Go get this hair. I'll leave the price down below. It retails for about $65 per bundles, I believe, which is really affordable for anyone that's questioning, when can I purchase my first bundle? This is really, really affordable. I'll leave the details to the company down below. So if you are really into hair, or you just want to try on your bundles for the first time, give this company a try, y'all. Give this company a try. Give this company a try. I'll leave all the details down below. If you like this video, if you like my review, please thumbs up and subscribe. Don't insult me like this, but subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Yes. Bye, guys.